Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. So before starting this chapter, we will see how it is related to our day-to-day life. Okay. Anita and Sunita are two friends. They went to market. They wanted to eat samosa chaat and pani puri. The shopkeeper informed that one plate of pani puri is 5 rupees and one plate of samosa chaat is 10 rupees. Okay, one plate of pani puri is 5 rupees, one plate of samosa chaat is 10 rupees. On the whole, they spent 60 rupees. So total 60 rupees they spent. Now in these situations, which are the unknown values? What are the unknown values here? Yes, here we don't know how many plates of pani puri they took and how many plates of samosa chaat they took. So those unknown values we have to take it as x and y. Take number of plates of pani puri x plates they added and number of plates of samosa chaat they added y plates. Okay. Now here one plate of pani puri how much? 5 rupees. If we added 2 plates means how much? 5 into 2 10 rupees. So they added x plates. So how much they have to give? 5 into x. So on pani puri they spent 5x rupees. Now one plate of samosa chaat is 10 rupees. If we added 3 plates how much it will be? 30 rupees. 10 into 3 30. They added how many plates? Y. So total how much they have to give on samosa chaat? 10 into 1 10y. So total how much they spent? 60 rupees. That means 5x plus 10y is equal to 60. Is it clear, children? So 5x plus 10y equal to 60. Now in this, here what is the symbol of this? Equal sign. So it is called equation. Here what is the degree of this equation? 1. Because the exponent of the variable is x is 1. Y exponent is also 1. The highest degree is 1. So this degree of this equation is 1. So what it is called degree of equation 1? It is called linear equation. How many variables are there? 2 variables. So degree 1, 2 variables and also equal sign. Finally what we can say about this? It is called a linear equation in 2 variables. What it is called? Linear equation in 2 variables. Okay. Here x and y are 2 variables. Here equal sign is equation. Here linear means degree is 1. So finally we can call it as a linear equation in 2 variables. Is it clear, children? Now we will see how to write the general form of this linear equation in 2 variables. See. So compare with this. We can write like this. Ax plus by is equal to c. Here in place of 5x I took ax. In place of 10y it is by. In place of 60 is c. Here what are the a, b, c are? A, b, c are real numbers. Here a, b, c are real numbers. We can take. And here one condition is there. What is that condition? We cannot take a as 0 and b also as 0. Why we cannot take a and b as zeros? We will see. Suppose in this equation a is 0. Then what will happen? So it will be 0x plus by is equal to 0. Then finally what we will get? By is equal to c. It is nothing but what? How many variables are there? Yeah, only one variable is y. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Similarly, if b equal to 0 means what you will get? Ax is equal to 0. This is also a linear equation in one variable. That is, if a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, that linear equation in two variables is reduces to one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So we cannot take a and b are zeros. Suppose both we can take 0, means what will happen? See, here a is 0 and b equal to 0. Then if you substitute in this equation, means 0x plus 0y is equal to c, means only the constant term is left. It is not a linear equation in two variables. Only constant is left. So here the linear equation in two variables means this a and b, they are not equal to 0. If any one of the values a and b equal to 0 also, it is not a linear equation in two variables. We observed here, if any one of the, either it is a or b equal to 0, what happened? It is reduces to linear equation in one variable. So what is the general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by equal to c, where a, b, c are the real numbers, and what is the important condition is there? A is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0. Is it clear, children, how to write the general form of linear equation in two variables and what is the condition is there? Okay. Now we will discuss how many solutions are there. Already that linear equation in one variable we studied in the 8th class. Okay. So what is give one example, this linear equation in one variable? Give one example. Can we take x plus 2 is equal to 0? Is it a linear equation in one variable? Linear means what? Degree 1. Here what is the degree of this equation? Here only the one variable. What is its exponent? 1. So its degree is 1. It is a linear. How many variables are there? Only 1. Here it has equal sign. So finally what it is called is one linear equation in one variable. So we will see how many solutions are there. So here find out x value. This plus 2, if you take to that side, it will be minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 is the solution of this equation. Is it clear? Now take x plus y is equal to 4. Take x plus y is equal to 4. Can we say it is a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Now we will see how many solutions it has. Suppose take x is equal to 2. Take x is equal to 2. Then what you will get y value? See, this x value you substitute in this equation in place of x. 2 plus y is equal to 4. What is y? 4 minus 2. Y is equal to 2. Now what is the solution of this? 2 comma 2. See, 2 comma 2 means x is 2, y is 2. If you substitute in this equation, you will get both sides are equal. It means it satisfies the equation. Similarly, take one more value. Now you take y value as 3. Okay. Now in place of y you take 3. X plus 3 is equal to 4. Then what is x you will get? X is equal to 4 minus 3. X is equal to 1. So what is the solution? 1 comma 3 is a solution. So like this, if you take different values of x, then what we will get? Different values of y. See here x value, if you suppose that related y value you will get. So those many values of x if you suppose, that corresponding y values you will get. It means how many solutions are there for this linear equation in two variables? We will get infinitely many solutions. I hope you all understood this module. Thank you very much.